Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, all you need to do is power off your device, like so, and once it's off, hold power key and volume down at the same time till you see Fastboot mode on the screen. And there we go. So that takes you to Fastboot mode, and that is how you boot into it. Once you're ready to, and you want to leave it, hold the power key till this disappears, at which point you can let go of the power key and simply wait for the device to boot back up on its own. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.